Alright, well, the realization, most of us don't have graphing calculators at home right now. It'd be nice if we did. I am going to walk you through everything but the graphing calculator part of this. Alright. Craig has $1,850 in the bank account. He uses to make automatic payments of $400.73 on a car loan. If Craig stops making deposits on the account, when would the automatic payments make the value of the account 0? Function that describes this account is, well, we know how much he starts with, 1850, and then every month he loses $400.73. The other function that describes the situation is g of x is 0, right? We want to find out when this equation is at 0. So g of x is always at 0, right? We want to know when the functions meet. That part's kind of easy. This one starts at 850. It goes down to 1449.27 cents, and then 1048.54 cents. Just subtracting 473 every single time. 647.81, 247.08, and then we're negative 153.65. Depending on when you what your bank does, it may not ever make this payment right here. You may not go into the negatives. From the table, the account would be 0 somewhere between 4 and 5 months. Alright, oh, I guess 4 and 5 months. From the graph, the intercept, and we can show this, is about 4.6. Alright, and there it is. You're just seeing where two of them match each other. When you go here, there's a couple more questions. Right? It says this: how are the examples in the section similar to the examples in the previous section? Right, they are similar in that you have two equations. One of those equations is just g of x equals 0, so that's a little bit different, but we can do two equations. Name one way to better approximate without the use of technology. I guess we could use smaller intervals. So, e.g., instead of plugging in 3 and 4, I could plug in 3.5, then 4, and then 4.5. I plugged in fractions. Anyway, here we go. Cassandra has $2,000 in a bank account. She used it to make automatic, mortgage, $900. She's going to run out quick. If Cassandra starts to make deposits, that's about my mortgage. When would the automatic payments get to 0? Use a table to figure it out. So we've got f of x, right, which is 2,000 minus 900.01. This is not going to take long. And g of x, once again, we're finding out when that equation matches 0. We'll go 0, 1, 2. We don't have to go any further than 3 because we all can do, I should have put an x up there, 900 subtracted from 2,000. So we've got our f of x here, our g of x here, and g of x is just 0 all the way down. F of x starts at 2,000. Then we subtract 901 cents, so 1099.99. We do it again, we get 199.98. You know what I did? I put the numbers in the wrong spot. Let's erase that. Just the numbers. That should be 0. That should be 1 month. That should be 2 months. And at 3 months, we're already at negative 700. This is 0. So it's somewhere between these two, right? From table. The answer is between 2 and 3. Now we'll stop here. We need to talk about calculators in class and how to do this on a calculator. It's kind of fun doing it on a calculator, to tell you the truth. And Very quick as well. But that's it. This is what you need to come in tomorrow, and we'll talk about how to use calculators along with these equations and seeing when those equations intersect with calculators and with tables. See you soon.